Precision manufacturing in the German apprenticeship program is probably the latest and greatest classes that we teach here. The German apprentice model was developed in Germany over 100 years ago. And it has a lot to do with the way they train their technicians. So we brought their model back and teach it to our American high school students. Our placement rate is really high. Our students have to have a job before they can start the program. So at 15 years old, they have to have a company that they go to work for where they're mentored as they work. They all start making $10 an hour, which doesn't sound like a lot, but what they're gaining is 3.5 years experience with a company, learning a program, taking the German apprenticeship test, getting German certified, and being able to go anywhere in the world they want to work. And that's key to this program.
It's really unique because not only does it pay me to be at school, but it also allows me to have this skill that is going to be needed. Right now, I have an internship with the company and I plan on staying with them. I already know what I want to do.
Everything we teach here is all lab-based and project-based learning. So the students assigned a project and they go do the project.
If you're at the age of 15 or 16, you're working from school, you're getting paid by a company that's sponsoring you. In your first year, you start off at $10 an hour. And in your second year, you start with 12, and then on your third year, you start getting paid $14 an hour. And I'd say that's very good for a 17, 16-year-old and being able to work on his hours, but also getting the education he needs.
I guess that's the high points of the program, is it gets them a career before anybody else that's in their age group. They're gonna, if you come to West Georgia Tech after high school, they're 2.5 years ahead of you. So it's a win for the student, for sure.